Hello friends, today I am going to show you a maths hack on multiplication table 6 to 9 which I hope is helpful for the small kids who just started learning multiplication. Just observe the pattern and learn it. Table of 9. Now we will see the table of 8. Now we will see the table of 7. Now we will see the table of 6. Table of 9 is written as 9 multiplied by 1 equals 0, 9. 0, that is the first number in red color and 9 in blue color. If you observe all the numbers in red color, you can see it is written in order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the same way blue color numbers are written from down to up 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. If you see the table of 8, you can understand it is also written in two colors. 8 multiplied by 1 equals 0 in blue and 8 in red. Just observe the pattern. First number starting from 0, 1, 2, 3, then 4. Then when you multiply 8 with 6, you have to start again with 4. Then write 5, 6, 7, 8. Then in the reverse order 0, 2, then skip counting of 2, 4, 6, 8. Then again 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Table of 7, if you see, it is written like this. All the blue color numbers are skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. And the red color numbers, if you see from top, it is all skip counting of 2. First number is 2, then 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. When you add the blue number with this second red number, you will get the last maroon color number, which is our answer to the multiplications. 7 into 1 equals 7, 7 into 2 equals 14 and so on. Table of 6 is also written in the same way. All blue color numbers are skip counting of 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45 and 50. And the adding numbers which is in red color is in order 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. When you add this, you will get the final answers of the multiplication table of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30, 36, 42, 48, 54 and 60. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.